Alright, so in part 1, I went over to go up here and reload my clips to go shoot the summons that is fully automatic. I was laying down my camera.
This old man and me,
started reloading.
we're at the bar and
after a little bit,
we're having us some beers and
stopped
swapping out on cake.
And now I have to
talking politics.
So right now,
blonde and redhead
neighbors
chicks,
down there,
old dogs and new tricks and habits we ain't kicked.
Really
talked about God's grace and all the hell we raised. Then I heard the old man say, God is great, beer's good,
and she's like, don't say that. So
people are crazy.
now I gotta wait a little bit. Alright, so now, coast is clear.
Said I fought 2 wars, been married and divorced. What brings you to Ohio? He said, damn if I know. We talked an hour or 2 about every girl we knew, what all we put them through, like 2 old balls of beer. 100 life and death. He lit a cigarette, said these damn things will kill me, yeah. But God is great, beer is good, and people are crazy. Last call is 2 a.m. I said goodbye to him. Never talk to him again.
Like I said, that lady doesn't matter. We are in Palmyra, so
Then
I
one
gotta watch
sunny
someone
day,
shooting around here. But
I saw the
that
old man's
was
face,
semi-automatic,
front
full
page
clip
of
of 55 rounds,
obituary.
and then 2 clips
He was a
of
millionaire.
55 rounds
He left his
with
fortune
fully
to
automatic, and
some guy he barely knew. His kids were mad as hell,
all around him.
but me,
Like,
I'm
that
doing
was
well.
perfectly done. That wasn't the gun.
And I drive by today, just say thanks and pray. And I left a 6-pack right there on his grave.
For a BB gun.
And I said, God is great, beer is good,
Stronger layers to stop it.
people are crazy.
Shoot it into it and they don't bounce back out. It's the only way I was going to be able to shoot around here. But
God is great,
that's all.
beer is
Leave a
good,
comment if you have any questions.
people
Subscribe.
are crazy.
Yep, to the next video.